Today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my makeup bag, and it starts right now. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you can start by subscribing to my channel and turning notifications on. Remember, you guys, we are in the midst of a subscriber giveaway. So once my channel reaches 300 subscribers, one lucky person will receive the first edition palette by BH Cosmetics from yours truly. All you have to do is be subscribed, turn notifications on, drop me a like, drop me a comment. That is it. Good luck to everybody, and without further ado, let's see what's in my bag. Right, the first thing that I want to show you guys is, of course, the makeup bag itself. I got this at Ulta Beauty. They had a purple one and a pink one, and you know that your girl had to get the pink one. I love all of these cute little details with the zipper and stuff. So let's just see what is inside of my bag. All right, so the very first thing that I'm gonna pull out of my bag is L'Oreal Infallible Contour Palette, and this is in the shade Light, which is 813 if you're wondering. I'm wearing it right now, and it gives off a very subtle contour. All right, so next is foundation. Now for an everyday, super easy, super quick to blend, I go in with Milani's Conceal and Perfect. I always forget that name. Why do I want to say Conceal and Correct? I don't know. But this is in the shade 2, which is natural. And when I use this, I do not need to conceal underneath my eyes. It's just a quick wham bam, thank you ma'am. Right, so I carry two different highlighters in my everyday makeup bag, which of course is the Wet n Wild. Now this is the older collection. This is the Gothographic collection. And I use this one more so every single day. This one is Blossom Glow, and it really just makes my skin look like metal without being too overpowering. Now I have a couple of different products that I use on a daily basis, really just depending on how much time I have to achieve the brow. So if I don't have a lot of time, I will first go in with this Milani Dip Brow Gel, and it is in the shade 05, which is dark brown. It looks like that. These are the products that I'm wearing on my face right now. And then of course, to achieve the very, it's gonna slice you, I do use the Morphe M432, which is a very straight across synthetic brush, as well as my Maybelline Bullet in the shade White. Now let's talk primers, you guys, because I have seen so many in the drugstore. It was very difficult for me to find one that worked for my skin. Like, I use a ton of them. So I definitely use the Benefit Porficial on my pores and problem areas. And then for the outer portions, I like to mix it up. On days where I'm feeling a little bit extra greasy or not too fresh, I go in with the Wet n Wild Face Primer. And then on days where I need that extra glow because my skin is like, of dehydration, I will go in with the Milani Prime and Protect. This has SPF 30 in it, and it is perfect to lay underneath a good foundation. So I always use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light to set my eyes and prime it for eyeshadow. Now for under eyes, I do like a bright under eye. That is where this lovely comes in. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Color Correcting Pen, and this is in purple. I like to use purple on the outer portions where my bags are like so puffy and gross, and honestly, this is the best color for color correcting. I know that oranges are good for under the eyes for dark circles, and this cancels it out. All right, you guys, for a bronze look when I don't really have enough time to cut them cheeks, I always like to switch it up between two different products. The first one is the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. As you can see, I've loved on it quite a bit. When I don't want to be bronzed like a Jersey girl, I do go in with this small cute palette from Ulta Beauty. This is the You Make Me Blush palette. And it has a cool toned bronzer on this side, as well as a really, really pretty blush on this side. Super, super cute. And it's super little. Fits perfectly in the bag. Okay, for lips, I am a nude type of girl. This pencil from Ulta Beauty, this is in the shade Bittersweet, and this is what I have on today. It is a very pretty, almost auburnish purple, but with an undertone of pink, if that makes sense. I'm not sure. But I always line my lips with this, and then I will go in with one of two products. This one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Ashton. It's a very cool toned brown nude. And this one is, of course, Milani Amore Matte Liquid Lips. And this is a nude with a more pinky tone to it. This is what I have on right now. I couldn't pick between the two, you guys, so I wanted to show you both of them. These are my favorite liquid lips. This is by far my favorite skin perfecting liquid. I use this underneath my foundation as a primer, if you will, only along the higher points of my face, like my T-zone. Pause the video right now if you are having fun and throw me up a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have used any of these products or if you have any of these products in your bag. Now, for the finishing touches of any look, you need mascara. This, oh my god, you guys, I have fallen in love with the Ulta Beauty brand. This is so thick, but yet it applies so nicely. This is what I have on right now. I'm not wearing falsie, and I mean, my lashes are very separated, yet they're full. This is Plush Drama Volumizing Mascara by Ulta Beauty. And I mean, the wand is pretty average, aside from the very end. There is like a little hook, if you will, and it is perfect. It fits great on my lower lash, and it really gets those hard to reach outer portions without clumping the two uppers and lowers together. It really just adds a nice flutter of lashes. And this is what I use also to prime my lashes for falsies. So definitely a staple product in my makeup bag. All right, that is it for today. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like what you've seen in this video. Drop a couple comments if you have any questions about any of the products that you've seen. That's it for today, you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.